So this is the old house before here, before the new house was replaced. Kasi ang mga bubong nila, kogon or nipa. My grandmother bought it from a Spanish couple during the war, 1940s. And then of course, this is my grandmother. Yung lola aso namin talaga. Tapos ito, this belonged to my great-grandmother.
Which one? This cabinet.
Oo, this is kamagong.
Kamagong.
And then ito, cabinet ng lola ko. My grandmother, direct grandmother. I was named after her. Everything here, mostly everything is Nara.
Okay.
Kaya hindi kaya ng anay.
Oo.
Magpupunta sa dentista ang anay.
Mapuputulan ng ngipin.
Mapuputulan lang.
Hospital.
Kasi gusto maglagay kang donut block today.
Paila before, Paila. Ang pangalan ng pila. Bakit naging pila? Kasi yung, di ba yung mga baywang, naging bewang, tainga, naging tenga, nagko-contract yan. So, yung Kingdom of Paila was mentioned in the Laguna Copper Plate. And the year was 900 AD. So, it's already a formal form of receipts. So, that means to say, yung civilization natin was way, way back.
Oo nga, oo.
Mali kasi yung sinasabing, ang bayan ay 450 years old. Hindi. Kasi yun yung pagka-form ng Spaniards sa bayan. Pero mas matanda ang ating mga bayan. Siyempre, all the houses here were built, these current houses were built during the American period. So, mali yung sinasabing the Spanish houses of Pila.
Okay.
These are American chalet. Because it was built during the American period.
Oo.
But siyempre meron yung halong Spanish architecture,
Oo nga,
influence ng bahay kubo. So mali talaga. Ang Spanish lang talaga dito ay yung church, the convent, the tower for the bell tower,
The bell tower, yeah.
and the Escuela Pia, which was beside it. Escuela Pia, yung parang school ng simbahan yun nung araw eh. So yun lang. And the town planning. The town planning, which is, ito yung town planning. This is a perfect example of Spanish colonial town planning. With the plaza, the houses around it, the church, and then, what's wonderful here in Pila, maganda, look how wide the streets are.
Yes.
Malalaki yung mga streets, magsalubungan. 1800s pa ito, mga 1790 Pinlano, di ba? So, ito yung signature ng ancestor ko, Pelizardo de Rivera. So, mahirap hagayahin.
Oo.
So, this is the town center. Well, we better just talk about from the 1900s. So, the houses here were, I think I have a copy of the...
American
No,
colonial period
it
na.
was put up during the American
Okay.
period.
Okay. O ngayon din naririnig ko yung Spanish, ano daw?
Laging Spanish.
Oo.
No, tsaka hindi ito mga bahay na bato.
Oo.
Karamihan. Bahay yung talaga naman, lahat naman ng bahay, bato yung silong,
Bato nila,
di ba?
yes.
So, this is the old house before here, before the new house was replaced. Kasi ang mga bubong nila, kogon or nipa. Kuha mo.
Yes po.
I found this picture lang of one of the relatives. During the Spanish period, nagkaroon ng boom sa rice and coconut harvest. So yung mga tao nagpagawa na ng mga bahay. I think it started in 1904. One house is 1904. And then this is 1928. I think up to 1930 yung mga houses
Oo.
na binibuild. Ngayon, itong lupang ito, dito yung dating munisipyo ng Spanish colonial time. Ito yung kanila. Ang lupa na lola ko, yung munisipyo.
Ngayon kung saan nasa roon ng munisipyo.
Yung lupa niya doon. So, ayaw namang magpagawa ng lola ko ng bahay nakatapat ng simbahan. Because if you notice, if you go to the munisipyo, the entrance is exactly katapat ng simbahan. Door to door. So anyway, tinanong namin bakit? Kasi daw lahat ng mga dasal, hinaing, kasalanan, baka that boomerang.
Oo.
So anyway, nakipag-exchange siya, which for me is a better location. Because you're here and you can see,
Oo nga eh.
it's hard to be in the center, di ba? For me, perfect yung location. No? So anyway, so there was a very peaceful life, I'm sure, during the time of my parents. Although, like my mother, she grew up in Manila.
Oo.
This is a modest house compared to the rest because my grandmother had only 2 kids. The rest had 7, 5, then meron doon 6. So siya, dalawa lang yung anak niya.
Oo.
And she was separated from her husband. So when she built this, I don't think there was any architect. Wala namang mga architect masyado nung araw, di ba? So she just asked the help of her nephew na engineer. So, but I think they just check, okay, where is the sun rising, sun may hangin. Practical, logical.
Yeah.
Pungsoy, parang parang pungsoy din. These are everything here, mostly everything is Nara.
Okay.
Kaya hindi kaya ng anay.
Oo.
Magpupunta sa dentista ang anay.
Mapuputulan ng ngipin.
Mapuputulan lang. So lahat yan, no? Of course, yung area ito,
Oo.
we call the balcon. Yung balkonahe, di ba? Dito yung pag may bisita ka, ito sarado muna.
Oo, yeah. Antesala na tinatawag nila.
Antesala.
May right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So, pag panek, dito muna yung bisita. Tapos, siyempre, nakasara muna yung pinto. Kasi magbibihis pa yung senyora.
Senyora. Lalabas pa sa pero sasabihin niya muna, sino ba yan?
Totoo yun. Hindi, depende kung kasama sa likod.
Ka-close niya.
But usually naman, tatawag naman sa baba, di ba? Tsaka nung araw, Diyos ko, napakatahimik ng talaga. It's very peaceful now, but it was more peaceful before. And I grew
Now it's too,
it's so noisy. And then I grew up here. I grew up here until I was 9. I went to the public school here. But, Pila was such a paradise talaga to grow up in. Yun talagang ang babait ng mga tao. Tapos araw-araw may makikita kang nagtitinda dyan ng kakanin, mga maririnig mo. Then my father was a judge. He was a judge for 40 years. He didn't accept any promotion. He didn't want to leave Pila. So anyway, I remember Pila as a beautiful, that gave us a beautiful childhood. Siyempre, pag nag-uwian din mga magpipinsan, pag bakasyon, mayroon pa kaming telepono, yung lata. Okay, like, what will we wear? Pedal pusher. Tomorrow, what will we wear? Shorts. And then yan, patintero. May mga puno dyan. Yan, mga puno ng banaba, mangga. Siyempre, aakyatin mo yan, di ba? Pag umuulan, maliligo kayo sa ulan. I don't know kung nadaranasan mo pa yon.
Ay, syempre ma'am, naranasan ko yan.
Yung maligo.
Noong 80s, oo.
Hindi, mga 50s ito eh.
50s na, pero noong 80s naranasan ko.
Meron pa nun.
Mismo.
Oh, yung mga laro dyan, di ba?
Sa ulan, lalaro sa
Tapos
ulan.
mga patintero
Oo,
dyan,
patintero.
or pating taguan.
Yeah.
Yan. So, the only thing I feel, of course, what's sad about Pila for me, is if I stand here, wala na talaga lahat ng lolo at lola, wala na lahat ng mga tito at tita. Iisa na lang ang tito ko na nasa States, yung tito dito. One only. And then my elder cousins are all passing away. So, it's kind of sad. And then, of course, the younger generation, they don't want to live here.
Yes, gusto nila modern.
So as you think, what will happen to the houses, no?
Yeah.
Because some houses, 3 of them were already sold. But luckily, yung mga bumili, they did not destroy naman. At least a facade. They did it very well. So far, we're still lucky. Okay? So, as I was talking about the house, anyway, so, yeah, it's all Nara. All the furniture are original, except, of course, the throw pillow, the flowers, the vases, the paintings that I placed. But all here, as you enter,
Parang ito ma'am, may ano pa dito, parang curtain
yeah,
ba?
curtain yan.
Ano?
At saka yun,
Oo, yes.
pag nag-curtain ka ngayon, Fern,
Ay,
after 1 week, madumi na.
oo nga, kailangan mo na labahan.
Maglalaba
ulit.
ka na. So, and then, ang curtain naman, hindi naman washing machine, pag light, di ba?
Oo, yes.
Yeah, so, okay. So, anyway, this one, this sa set, meron pa yung kasama, na wala lang yung nasa center. My grandmother bought it from a Spanish couple during the war, 1940s.
Ganda.
The Spanish couple just celebrated their 50th wedding anniversary. Pero pauwi, during the war, gusto nilang bumalik sa Spain. Pero ito, natanggap nila nung wedding nila. So, when my grandmother bought it nung 1944, let's say, 50 years old na yan. So,
may ilang taon na ito na?
100 plus.
Wow.
I just
Hindi na ako
forgot.
nakakita.
Pero napalitan na namin yan ng 3 times.
Oh, okay,
This is the third palit of the...
Pero yung wood.
Yeah, it's very strong.
Oo.
It's at saka makita mo perfect proportion.
Yes.
It's what you call perfect proportion. Of course, this painting I just added. Okay. And then this one, my daughter also painted.
Ang ganda naman yan.
Si Leah, and then this.
Artist, alam mo, pag artist ka talaga.
Yeah, watercolor. But I place it here kasi it's her Lola's orchids. So this is a picture of my mother when she was young. Okay. Then my parents,
That's your parents.
and then that's me and my
Oh,
sister.
that's you, ma'am?
Yeah. 2 more followed, but after 10 years.
Okay.
Okay, another not original is this. This is IKEA. But I cannot find anymore. I used to
Okay
have...
lang, ma'am.
No, ang dami ko noon. Wala na ako mabiling ganyang ka-light.
Oo.
But it fits the house, di ba?
Pero ito ma'am, talagang nandito na ito. Ito. Ang tawag dito.
No.
O,
I bought
inad
this
na lang to.
I bought this in Restoration Hardware in America.
In
the
America
States.
na.
Okay. So this one, this Sacred Heart, has been here since the 40s. Miski anong shooting dito, sabi ko, hindi nyo pwedeng
pwedeng
alisin. Kasi it was a gift given to my grandmother by the nuns from Saint Scholastica. Kasi nung panahon ng Hapon, napaka-peaceful sa Pila. Dito evacuate madaming families, and all the nuns in Saint Sco, plus the boarders who could not go home to Iloilo and Bacolod.
So they stayed here.
So they stayed here. So also because the sister of my father was a Saint Sco nun. So nung umalis sila, nilagay nila yan. So sabi ng Lord, basta wag na yung aalisin dyan.
Dyan na talaga yan.
Diyan ay talaga, maski anong bag ng shooting, no. You cover it, you put flowers, di ba? And then this one,
Which they did naman.
naman.
Okay.
Ito, this was divided into 2 rooms before.
Okay.
I think when my two rooms. So my mom, my lola, my tito, and my mom. And then, wala na yung tito ko. Siyempre, nag-asawa na yun, o binata na yun. Malis na. Yon, kami yung sisters doon. Dito yung lola ko.
Yung nakakatawa.
Tapos dito yung parents ko.
Oo.
Eh later on, inalis ko na yung division.
Oo.
Para mas ano yung
Mas
hangin.
malaki.
Oo.
Yes.
Tsaka nung araw talaga,
Ang sarap naman ng hangin dito.
wala, may kulambu yata kami. Kasi ito, nalalagyan mo ng
Sinasabitan, yes.
Oo, but at that time, the house was surrounded by Macopa. We had Suha, Lanzones, Santol, Yambo, Star Apple, Langka. Ngayon, ang natira na lang yung Macopa tree, which is as old as the house, 98 years old, and the Balimbing. So, wala.
Pawala na.
So,
Pero
hopefully,
dapat hindi mawala.
hopefully, yung Macopa, nagbubunga pa naman. I mean, but you know, it's like,
Hindi na kagaya dati yung bunga.
ang bunga niya, pag naulan na namin, inuuod na, matanda na,
Oo.
as in matanda na. Okay? Tapos ito, this belonged to my great-grandmother.
Which one? This cabinet.
Oo, this is
Aparador.
Kamagong.
Kamagong.
Great-grandmother.
Pero never been touched ba ito, ma'am? As is pa rin yung
Ah,
surface niya?
Hindi,
O, na?
napaano na yan, pero if I want it really done, I have to bring it to Manila kasi wala namang magaling dito magbagis
Oh, you have to.
talaga.
Oo.
And I'll spend an arm and a leg. You're gonna spend a lot of money to have it really.
Yes.
Ibayaan mo niyan. So we called her Lola Kikay.
Lola Kika.
Si Lola Kikay.
Ganda pa, ma'am, no?
Yeah, look at the wood here. Dito mo makikita, oh. Dito.
Ah, yes. Hindi yan ano. Unlike now kasi design,
Ah, wala
nilalagay na
na.
yung ganyan.
Tsaka yan, hindi kaya ng
Ng
anay.
anay.
But you know, it's funny, but book, nakakaya yung furniture. Ang anay, hindi.
Ano yung bukbuk? Saan nagagaling yun? Sa web?
Book yung maliliit na, makikita mo sa sahig, bigla na lang may mga nalalaglag. It's called book.
Bukbuk.
Oo, na hindi mo mapapansin. That's why all the time, pag naglilinis dito, pinapacheck ko talaga, baka meron sa ilalim,
Oo.
makikita mo.
Hindi nakikita, yes.
Okay, before we had one more poster bread, pero siyempre nasira na. And then, ito, cabinet ng lola ko, my grandmother, direct grandmother. I was named after her. So, nara din siya. And then this one, sister ito ng grandmother ko, single, and she was the unang punong guro ng intermediate school ng Pila during the American period. Yung intermediate school, high school na pala yun. Pag nag-graduate ka ng intermediate, nakagraduate ka na pala na. Kaya nung minsan may picture doon, sabi ko, ba't ang tatanda ng students, ang mga, di ba, tanda ng mga itsura nila?
Oo.
Yung pala, intermediate.
Intermediate na.
And then she was one of the 7 women founders of Philippine Women's University, PWU, Mercedes Rivera. Single siya. Okay. So dito naman, okay. Oo. Ito, siyempre, alam mo naman, nabubuksan yan, di ba?
Yes, that's Ventanilla.
Ventanilla. Ito, nung araw, ito pasamano, twice a year, yung mga kasama o asawa ng kasama, ini-is-is nila. Alam mo yung is-is?
Oo, yes, ini-is para mawala.
Wala namang, walang Scotch Brite. Nung araw, ang ganda-ganda. So twice a year, nagja-general cleaning sila ng bahay before Fiesta at saka before New Year.
Oh.
So, yon masaya yon kasi nagkakainan sa kusina,
after,
di ba? Tapos, ito naman, ito yung aming patron saint, Saint Anthony, San Antonio de Padua, yan. Naputol na lang yung kamay, nawala na si Jesus Christ. Ito, second patron saint, San Roque. And then, of course, this is a copy of the Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo, which I bought in the National Museum 20 years ago.
20 years ago.
Yan ang sulat talaga ni...
Oh,
Have you seen one?
I've seen one.
Yeah, because that's the writing
Kaya
of Jose.
nagulat ako eh.
Yan ang sulat ni Dr. Jose Rizal. Tapos nung araw, syempre, ang ilaw dito, mga gasera. As a matter of fact, nagagamit ko pa yun ito, mga in the 2015. Nagagamit ko pa ito pag walang ilaw.
Oo nga, oo.
Until nagkaroon na ng mga
Yung mga LED lights.
LED lights. So,
Rechargeable na.
wala na. Retired na yan. And then this,
Kasi minsan nagkakakos pa kasi yan ng
fire.
fire, yeah.
Oo. Tsaka yung amoy, hindi
Oh,
maganda.
yes.
So ito, this is my great-grandmother, Lola Kikay. Okay. Yung cabinet na yon, siya yung
siya
anak.
yun.
Hindi,
Okay.
anak siya.
Okay.
Yung Lola Punday, we don't have a picture. Ito, Lola Kikay. Ito, Lola ko, Lola Ason. Ka-name ko. And then this is my mom. When she was 18. And then, this is me when I was in my 30s. This is my eldest daughter, si Leah. Siya yung artist.
Yan,
Okay,
siya
yeah.
pala, yan pala siya.
And then this is Valerie, my second daughter, who now owns the house.
Siya yung bumili, no?
Binili niya. You know why? Later on, magiging communal.
Comunales.
Then 11 grandchildren. Sino ngayon nag-maintain? Halimbawa, ikaw nag-maintain, hindi naman nag-donate.
Oo nga.
Pero, pag-aari pa rin nila,
Oo.
which kinda, after a while, it's not fair.
Yeah.
Di ba? So,
Kaya
anyway,
maganda yun, buy out mo na sila lahat.
buyout mo na, ikaw na lang.
Oo.
Di ba?
Wala
So,
na pakilamanan.
oo, tatlo naman yung anak ko, and they plan to retire here. So, at least,
Yes.
you can be sure for the next generation, may mag-aalaga.
Yes.
Now, I don't know about the generation of my one and only millennial grandson, who is quite, he studied pero mas American yun eh. And then this was the room of my mom,